When I first heard about these luggage organizers, compression cubes for travel from ECOHUB, I knew I wanted to check them out. These are made from recycled materials. There's 36 bottles in here. I like that the packaging is just cardboard. Let's go ahead and open up this package. Now these are compression cubes that can be used when you're traveling so that you keep your different luggage organized and compressed. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm first off impressed with how well made these are. So here we go. There's a number of them in here. And as you can see, they've got a handle. They've got a place for identification. They can be used on the beach or something because you can dry them out. You can unzip that zipper and now they become that deep. This zipper is a dual zipper. Opens up the main compartment. Nice big loose compartment. Strong materials. I like that they're made from post-consumer products. And now when you zip it back up, look how small that is. You can still use it and it's opened up, or when it's compressed. There are 3 of these larger ones, or 2 of these larger ones, and then 2 of these smaller ones in this set. They do come in a couple of different colors as well. I went with the green. These are going to be awesome for travel, and I really like the way the products are sourced. From ECOHUB, I'd like to thank them for sending us these to check out. I hope this helps.